All right, everyone, welcome inside our Mercedes-Benz SL600, where we're going to just quickly go over some basic functions and controls of the vehicle just to show you that everything is operating as it should. So to start out, we have our two keys here. We have the ignition slot there, but we do not need to use that because this car is equipped with the keyless go system. So all you have to do, have the keys on hand, foot on the brake, press the button, and the V12 fires to life. So from there, we will continue with this 55,235 mile SL600 and show you some of the essential functions. So to start out, on the door panel here, we have your window controls. So push down and your driver's window goes down. Press again and you get the quarter windows to go down, and then back up, and then up again. So there's those two. And then the passenger side, same deal. Press once, press a second time, and then get them up and back up again. So there's that. Also on the door panel, we have your seat controls. So you should see that going back and forth. The seat back, forward, headrest, down and up. Then you have your memory settings here. We have heated seats. We have two settings for that, and we also have ventilated seats, which you may be able to hear that running. We have three settings for that, and the same over on the passenger side. So we also have your headlight controls here. We have it set to auto now. Turn them on, you see the little light pop up there, or turn them off, or there you go, just set it to auto. They work nicely in that capacity. So on the steering wheel here, we have your buttons to control your various information displays here, and then you can go through all of the different pages. So that is with the up and down arrows, and then the page buttons there. We have your phone controls and volume controls, which when we turn on the radio, we can play with that. We have cruise control here. Not really going to test that out on the road. We have your turn signals. There we go, left and right. We have a heated steering wheel, which twists that, and you can see the little red light come on, and then twist it the other way to turn that off. And then this is all the way up already. So adjust the steering wheel using that same stalk. So there you go, that was up and down and back and forth. So there is that. So we get to the center here. So we have your locking buttons here. So we'll lock it, unlock it, pretty simple standard. We have your built-in cup holders that pop out, push back in and out and back in, so that works nicely. Here you have all of your AC controls. So here you can set the temperature and the fan speed. So there you have that. And in the middle here, you have your suspension operation. So you can raise and lower that. You can put it in sport. And additionally here we have your mirror controls. So let's do that now. So select the left mirror. You'll use the left and right, up and down on that little directional pad. Select there, up, down, left, right. There you go. So then you have your convertible top operation here. So you would pull this lever back to put the top down, or you would push it forward to put it back up in the position that it's in now. We also have the rear roll bar here, so we can do that right now. And there you go, up and down. And we also have this, it's just done manually, the wind deflector. If you have the top down and you want to keep the cabin a little bit more comfortable, you can do that. So we have your infotainment system here. So you just power on and let the screen come up. So you have in-car navigation, and so we have the radio on now. You can cycle through. Let's just get some music. So there you go, you can hear that. And as I said, navigation, set the map, and then you have your numbers there, telephone, and actually, like I said, yep, there you go. You can use the volume there on the steering wheel, works nicely. And let's see if there is anything else that I should cover while I'm in here. We also have massaging seats here. I've never really known how to use this, but I can feel it doing stuff. I don't know. That's something that you guys can play with, get comfortable. A nice feature to have on these luxury Mercedes. So if you have any additional requests, feel free to drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching.